All right, y'all, checking in right quick. It's time to feed these pigs. I already gave them a little bit, but this pig pen is a pig sty. It's stinking so bad. That means I'm gonna have to get some more mulch poured in here to soak up some of that moisture and get rid of these flies because it's been raining like crazy. Of course, I love the rain. I can sleep good, and also it's good for my garden. So, baby, let's go ahead and get started with these little funky pigs. VIP, my very important pigs, but they're muddy and stinky right now. Take a look. Hey, who's over here fighting? Mama Babe, Hennessy, Miss Piggy, Remy, Martini, and Moonshine. A hot, stinking mess. Oh my God, look at them fighting over the food. Look at them flipping the bowls. Oh, it stink. I got my hands full. Oh, hold on a minute. I'm just giving y'all a little bit more. I'm supposed to be giving y'all that other food that we had. But, this is y'all getting